Fatima. I'm really excited that you're here for another video. Today's video, we are doing the perfect fall unboxing. I'm really excited to unbox this piece with you. I've been waiting for some time to unbox this with you all. I received this about a week or two ago, but I wanted to film an unboxing, so I had to wait to do so. I've been so busy with other things, but now I'm sitting here with you all getting a chance to unbox it with you. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead. What are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscription button. You might want to go ahead and subscribe because I am doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I posted about it on my community post, so you might all want to stay tuned with my community post because that's where I post my like all of my announcements. I posted about my giveaway, and so I am giving away, I don't have it with me, but a Coach Nolita 19 purse, which is equivalent to the Pochette Accessoire by Louis Vuitton. All the entry details will be in the description box down below, but I have my notes here and I'm gonna read you the entry details, but they're also, so the entry details are going to be listed in the description box down below, and they're also on my community post. What I need you all to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, go to my community post where I talk about a giveaway, and it's the picture. I'm going to put a picture of the giveaway post right here, but it's the picture of the item that I'm going to give away, and go ahead and like that community post. And you're gonna also comment under that community post why you enjoy fall. To have a double entry, all you have to do is take that community post that explains the community post that has a picture of the giveaway, screenshot it, and in your Instagram story you post it there and you tag me in it, and that will allow you to have a double entry. All of these entry details will be in the description box down below. So just read that, and best of luck to everybody who's interested in the giveaway. If you have not yet liked and shared this video, please go ahead and like and share this video as well. And without further ado, we will get into today's video. So today, I am gonna unbox what's in this box pretty much, and of course we know it's a handbag, and it is a fall handbag. When I saw that this fashion house put out their fall items, I was super excited about this one particular color of this handbag. I am no stranger to this style of handbag that I am going to unbox, and I love this style of handbag. It's so easy, it's so functional. This is my third bag from this collection. I should have got some scissors to open this, but I didn't. Just one second. It's hard. Note to self, keep a pair of scissors in your filming space. Oh my gosh. Well, hold on. I don't have it all the way yet. Okay, here we go. So, here's the box. Here's the name. I don't know if you can see the name of the fashion house, but that's neither here nor there. But like I was saying, and here's my receipt. This is where I ordered the bag from, Marc Jacobs. So this is a Marc Jacobs handbag. I love this bag. I know the day after I ordered this bag, I had seen somebody on Instagram with it, and I knew I made the right decision because I am in love with my other bags from Marc Jacobs. I knew I would be in love with this, but this is a particular color that this particular color is the one that drawn me back to the brand. I never went away from the brand, but all the other colors and styles he was coming out with, I just wasn't, like, I liked some of them, but I just couldn't see myself owning any of those, if that makes sense. Let me just take all the wrapping off of this bag, and then I will show you what I got for fall, which is so cute. Okay. One thing I can say is that the Marc Jacobs team, they know they're gonna wrap up a bag, okay? They are not playing when it comes to bag wrapping and protecting a bag, and because that took me forever to unwrap it. So, okay, so this is the Marc Jacobs tote in leather in the mini size, and the color Chianti. So this is, on camera it's picking up brighter, but it's really not this bright. It's like a really muted wine color. It really looks like Merlot. It's like a wine color. It is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, on camera it's picking up brighter, but in person it's really not this bright. It's a really muted burgundy Merlot rich color, perfect for fall. Like, absolutely excited. I'm absolutely excited about having this bag in my collection in this color. This is my third, the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. I have a canvas bag, and then I have two leather ones. This is my second leather one. I have a black leather one, and this is, like I said, my second leather one. It's super cute. I rave about these tote bags all the time. Marc Jacobs really did his thing when he created the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. Like, this bag is mini, but she is mighty. She holds a lot. Like, she holds a lot of things, and I've shown you all, like in other videos, how much this bag holds. By the way, the dimensions and everything about this bag will be in the description box down below, and a link to this exact handbag will be in the description box down below. Marc Jacobs every season lets out a new tote bag release, a bucket bag release, like each season, and he's come out with some really nice seasonal pieces. And I know I have always wanted another Marc Jacobs leather tote in my collection, but I just wasn't sure if I wanted that tan color that they call oregano. I think that's what it's called. Let me pull it up in my notes, because yeah, it's oregano, no, argan oil. What is a really pretty caramel color that's pretty popular on YouTube. I've seen a lot of YouTubers with that one. Or cement, which is a nice like grayish silver leather bag by Marc Jacobs. If you haven't seen any of my older videos, it does, the leather bags does come with a leather adjustable removable strap, so you can adjust the length of the strap, and then it comes with D-rings that you can attach and detach from the bag. You can wear this bag as a shoulder bag, crossbody, or just wear it as a top handle. I usually carry mine as a top handle, but I keep the straps attached because sometimes it's just nice to have like the flexibility and convenience of having straps. But I just keep mine tucked in my bag, out of sight, out of mind, right? And then the bag can be zipped closed. It has a gold zipper, and the zipper pull comes with a leather pull. Then the tote bag has a back pocket, and it comes with care instructions, but it has a back pocket on the inside. The bag itself comes with this nice lining that's wipeable. You can easily wipe the inside of your bag. I still have, like I said, Marc Jacobs packages their bags really, really well. So here is the inside of my bag. So my bag has a pink lining on the inside, and it is gorgeous, and it is really easy to clean. Like, if you make a spill, I've never made a spill in my bag, but if you make a spill, it is real easy to just wipe out. The leather is very malleable. It is full grain leather, which is really, really nice. And when I tell you this bag holds a lot, so this is considered the mini, like I mentioned before. There is a small, medium, and large. A large is comparable to the on-the-go GM, and the mini is comparable to the on-the-go PM. So they hold quite a bit, and I really like them. I know, but this bag is really nice. I really, really, really like this bag. You all know how I feel about my Marc Jacobs tote bags. If you all want me to do another what fits in my bag video for this particular bag, I can. If you want to see a collection of my tote bags, I can also share my tote bag collection with you all. And that is not limited to Marc Jacobs totes. That's like every tote that I own. I can make a collection on that, because I do own quite a few totes. I'm not saying that I'm a huge tote girl, but tote bags are pretty convenient. So this is the unboxing that I wanted to share with you all. If you enjoyed today's video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget about my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. All the entry details will be in the description box down below. And until next time, my loves, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Mwah.